Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a very detailed cut crease eyeshadow makeup tutorial. So basically I'll be showing you guys the rudiments of blending and everything that's that involves applying your application of your eyeshadow basically. So guys, if this would be something you'd be interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So guys, in this video I'm not really going to be focusing much on my face makeup because I already have a ton of video, showing how I apply my base and then my foundation routine, things like that. So this video is just going to be focused on the eyeshadow, but I'm just going to rush over the process of me, applying the face makeup and stuff like that, and then we'll go into the detailed cut crease eyeshadow look. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I always upload every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So yeah, I'm just going to rush over this process and then we'll start off with the eyeshadow application. So guys, for your eyeshadow, you want to go in with like an eyeshadow primer or a concealer depending on which you use, so you can decide to set it or not set. Now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm picking up that bright purpley shade. Now this shade, I'm basically going to concentrate it on the outer view of my eyes and then my crease area. So first thing I always like to do is make sure that I have enough of that shade on whichever area I'm applying it on, and that happens to be the outer view of my eyes today. So I'm just going to keep on packing this color until I'm satisfied with how it looks. Then I can go ahead to start blending out into my crease area and then my transition area. So once you go back into the palette to pick up a shade, you always want to make sure that you dust off whatever excess you picked, because you just want to go in with the barest minimum that you need to blend out the shade. So basically, once applying shades like this, you'll be the one to decide, how concentrated you want that shade to be on the area where you're dropping it on. So if you feel the need to go back into the palette, you can go back in. For me right now, I like the way it looks. So I'm going into the palette and I'm picking up that pinkish shade. Now this I'm going to apply all over my transition area and also into my crease area. So this is just going to act like a lighter shade. It's going to give a nice transition between the shade on my transition area and also the one I applied onto my crease area. Now if I feel like I've over blended or maybe I made a mistake with my blending, you can always go back in with a color that is very close to your skin tone that gives a little bit of contour, or just deepens the area a bit more and also can help erase whatever shade you've applied there. So I'm going in with the Milani Mineralised compact powder to clean up that area. So you can also go in with a lighter shade of eyeshadow to do this also. So now moving on to cutting the crease. So when cutting the crease, your most important things are your brush and your eyeshadow or whatever basically you're using to cut the crease. So I'll always advise going with a very flat brush that will give you good precision when cutting the crease. And also you want to go in with a whole lot of the concealer on your brush. If you go in with too much, you can always take it out when you're done cutting the crease. So if this is your first time cutting the crease, the best I would advise you to do is just apply it on your eyelid and then look up, and then you can find the perfect place to cut your crease. But for me at this point, I'm quite used to cutting my crease, so I already know where I want to apply and where I want to stop cutting basically. Not to say that sometimes I don't make mistakes, but yeah, there are ways to doing it that can make it easy. So basically I'm just blending the concealer now onto the outer shade just to blend everything out and give it a nice transition so that it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm picking up that light purpley shade I used on the outer view of my eyes, and I'm just packing that into the outer view and also into the concealer. This is going to help me create a very nice transition between the outer view area and also the shades I'm going to apply onto my eyelid so that it doesn't appear very harsh. So I'm picking up those two shades for the eyelid area. Those are going to be what I'll be applying on my eyelid. So basically with things like this, you always want to create like a transition, like a gradient look, so I went in a little bit of powder because while applying that shade, it started I started having some fallout, so I went in with my setting powder to pick up whatever fallout from the shades I get. So basically I didn't wet my brush. I didn't want that look. Basically this is just like a very muted sheen. It has a very muted sheen to it. That's the shade I'm applying. It's not very it's not like a shimmery or metallic color. It just has a little bit of sheen, and you know, I was fine with how it looks. So after I'm done applying, the two shades are quite similar, but one is just a little bit lighter, so I applied the lighter one into the inner corner of my eyes. So I just went back in with the color I applied all over the outer corner, sorry guys. I went back in with the color I applied on the outer corner of my eye, so I blended that out under my eyelash area. And also I'm taking that black shade from the palette just to deepen up my under eyes even more. I like a very smoked out look sometimes. I don't know, it looks very pretty on me. So now I'm going in to give myself a little bit of liner just to help with the false lashes also. Then once I'm done with this, basically I'm just doing like a straight line. I'm not going to wing it out or anything. I think I already closed up whatever I wanted to do with the eyeshadow, so I love the way it looks. This basically is just to help with the false lashes. And I'm going into my Volumising Mascara. This is just to help coat my lashes with a little bit of mascara, to prepare it for the false lashes that I'm going to apply. So basically application is very simple, guys. You just want to wiggle the wand all over your own eyelashes, and then you just brush everything up, and then that is all. But guys, this mascara, it took a very long time for it to dry up. I'm used to mascaras that once you apply they're already getting dry, but this took a very long time to dry. I don't know why. And it's even it stained my under eyes a little bit. I tried to erase it, but I didn't want to waste so much time. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to go in with my false lashes. So I already applied the gum, and I'm just using my tweezers to apply that onto my own lashes, and then I'm going to clump the false lashes and my own lash together. So basically that I have a detailed tutorial on how I apply my lashes. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below, so if you're interested in watching that, you can check that out. So now I'm going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm going to set all of this makeup down. I've applied a lot of powder, so definitely you want to set all of that down. So once that has dried, I'm going to go in to apply my highlighter. I'm using the Colourpop X Makeup Shader highlighter in the shade Booming. I always like to go in when my face is a little bit damp with my highlighter. It just helps it melt very easily into the makeup. So now guys, it's time for my lips. I'm going to go in to apply my Davis pencil in number 18. I'm going to use this to line the whole of my lips and also shade it in. Then I have this pencil. It's a lipstick pencil basically, so it's a pink shade. I'm just applying that onto my lips, and then I'm going to blend it out. Because of how dry it is, I went in with my XOXO lip gloss from Zaron Cosmetics in the shade Read My Lips. So once I'm done applying that, basically guys, that's it for this video. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two from the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So guys, also don't forget to check the description box down below. I'm going to leave a list of my detailed tutorials on how I do my eyebrow and also how I apply my lashes. So if you'd be interested in watching those kind of videos, be sure to check the description box because I'm going to leave the link down below. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting me with whatever I do here on my channel. I really appreciate it. So guys, I'm going to see you all in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye guys.